Hello, 8th graders. We are moving on to lesson 3 in our sound chapter. We looked at some properties of sound. Now we're looking at music. So first we'll read the My Planet Diary. It's a blog written by Jamil from Orlando, Florida. So it says, I play an instrument called the French horn. The French horn has valves, a bell, a mouthpiece, and 3 keys. It is interesting how pitch affects the music that I make. While I was practicing, the music sounded out of tune. I realized I hadn't tuned the instrument, so I slid the tuning valve up and down until I got the right pitch. I like to play my instrument because it enhances my hand-eye coordination. I also love the sound of the music when I play it right. Okay? So, what does it mean to tune an instrument? Well, the musician adjusts the instrument until he or she hears the correct pitch. Second question, the musicians in a marching band do not tune their instruments until they are outside. Why do you suppose this is? The air temperature affects the pitch. So, if you were to tune your instrument inside and then take it outside, it's going to sound out of tune. Okay? We have one key question for today. It's what determines sound quality? Some definitions. Music is a set of notes that combine in patterns that are pleasing. Noise, on the other hand, usually has no pleasing patterns. So music is pleasing, noise is not. The sound quality of musical instruments results from blending a fundamental tone with its overtones. So a fundamental tone is the lowest natural frequency. Overtones are higher natural frequencies. Overtones have frequencies that are 2, 3, or more times the frequency of the fundamental tone. Most instruments produce several natural frequencies at once. So each instrument produces different overtones, so the blending of the fundamental tones and overtones produces different sound qualities. The size, shape, and material of the instrument determines which overtones are best. And then we have the different groups of musical instruments. So we have stringed instruments, percussion instruments, and wind instruments. Stringed instruments include guitar, violin, cello, and double bass. They produce sound when they are plucked or rubbed with a bow. Percussion instruments include drums, bells, cymbals, and xylophone. They vibrate when struck. Wind instruments include the trumpet, trombone, clarinet, and flute. They create sound when the musician blows on or across the mouthpiece. Music, or our vocabulary words, so music is a set of tones that combine in patterns that are pleasing. A fundamental tone is the lowest natural frequency, and overtones have higher natural frequencies. So on your assignment, complete the Edmodo questions for lesson 3. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great Thursday.